First, to begin by using the text tool, set the font size to 600 points. Type the letter D. Now hold the Alt button and click and drag to duplicate the D letter. Double click and change it to the letter C. Now select these two letters. Click on the vertical align center option. Then go to the object and choose expand. Enable these options and click OK. Open the object, go to path and select offset path. Adjust these settings in this manner. Click OK. Now select these two letters. Use the shape builder tool. Hold the Alt key and click and drag the left mouse button to remove the selections in this manner. Now select these two shapes, open the window and select Pathfinder. Now click on the merge option. Let's see the final result.